Have you ever stared at your apartment walls, wishing they could make more of a statement? Maybe you've added a few decorations, but something still feels missing. What if you could transform those plain walls into a bold, stylish feature? That's where geometric paint design comes in. It's not just a pattern, it's a way to completely elevate your space. Think about it. Small apartments can feel cramped and repetitive. You want something that adds character, but doesn't overwhelm the space. Geometric patterns do exactly that. Whether it's sharp lines, triangles, or subtle curves, these designs add depth and dimension without needing extra furniture or decor. It's like creating a piece of art directly on your walls. The best part? You can customize it to fit your style. Do you love clean, minimal designs? Try simple shapes and neutral tones. Want something bold and eye-catching? Go for vibrant colors and dramatic contrasts. You don't need to be an artist to pull it off either. With painter's tape and a bit of creativity, you can map out your own pattern. Start small, like a single accent wall, and watch how it transforms the entire room. Not only does a geometric design make a small space feel bigger, but it also gives your apartment a modern, fresh look. It draws the eye, making your home feel unique and personal. Plus, it's a project you can easily tackle yourself in a weekend. No need to hire a professional, just grab some paint, tape, and get to work. Imagine walking into your apartment, where a simple wall now looks like a design feature straight out of a magazine. It's not just paint, it's a conversation starter. So why wait? Take action and bring some geometric style into your home. Whether it's a subtle pattern or a bold statement, geometric designs can instantly upgrade your space, no matter how small. Your apartment deserves to reflect your style. With geometric paint design, you can turn those blank walls into something truly amazing. So go ahead, pick up that paintbrush, and start creating today.